Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding with Liz. In today's quick video, we're talking about aliasing in SQL, also known as using the as keyword. Aliasing lets you temporarily rename columns and tables. This makes your results cleaner, easier to read, and way more professional. Let's jump in. What is a column alias? A column alias is a temporary name you give to a column in your result. The basic syntax is select column name as new name from the table name. The as keyword is optional, but I recommend using it because it makes your code cleaner, and we will be utilizing it throughout the rest of the course. Let's say we have a customers table, like the one that you see on screen. We can use the query select first name as first name, last name as last name from customers, and it will return this result. Notice how the output column headers changed, but the actual table did not. Aliasing does not change your database. It only changes how the results appear. Now let's look at another example. This is where aliasing really shines. We can use the query that you see on screen, selecting average total spent as average spent. The result is as follows. Without aliasing, your column name would look like this, average total spent in parentheses, which is messy. Aliasing makes your output clean and presentation ready. Now let's level up. You can also alias tables. This is extremely useful in join statements, which we will go into further in future videos. Here's an example of two tables, a customers and an orders table that you see on the screen. Querying these without aliases, we can use select customers first name, orders amount, from customers, join orders on customers.customer ID equals orders.customer ID. This works fine, but as you can tell, this gets long fast. Instead, we should query tables with aliases. We can use this query that you see on the screen. As you can tell, this is much cleaner. And here is the result. When you start writing complex queries, table aliases are essential. You can also alias calculated columns too. We can use this query, select first name total spent times 0.1 as estimated reward from customers. And you can see the following result. This makes your results business friendly and easier to interpret. So when exactly should you use aliasing? Use aliases when you're using aggregate functions, you're doing calculations, you're joining multiple tables, you want cleaner column names, you're presenting results to a non-technical stakeholder. Aliasing might seem small, but this is one of those habits that separates beginner SQL from professional SQL. Clean queries, readable results, and easier joins. If this helped you, make sure to stay tuned for the next video with Coding with Liz.